Alright, we're in the middle of August. Just got on a new spot on the Black River. Never fished here before. I'm gonna give it a shot here. Found a nice little launch here and gonna be kind of targeting some smallies. Maybe hooking into some muskie, I don't really know. Maybe walleye, a little bit of everything. I guess don't really know, but kind of smallies are the main target. I really don't get a chance to smallmouth fish a lot, so should be fun if we get into some. It's a really nice morning out. I mean, it's right now it's like upper 50s, low 60s, only like a high of 70 today. Should be just awesome today. So hopefully they're biting and catch some fish. Hey, we got one. Little guy. Alright, we're on the board. Just about. Maybe. Yes, sir. That is a smallie. Alright. Little smallie. Heck of a lot of fun, though. We'll take it. Topwater. Nothing better. Yeah, we're hoping to kind of capitalize on this topwater bite. Last night I went on a spot just a few minutes away from my house on a little stretch of river and just absolutely crushed mostly largemouth. I mean, I caught probably 15, 16 largemouth and then 2-3 smallies, and actually a lot of them are pretty decent. So I mean, it's just one after another. So kind of hoping today maybe the smallies will be biting on this other stretch of river, topwater. And we got one so far, so we're going in the right direction. Oh, oh. Missed one. Dang it. I actually missed my bait. That was a decent one. There's a fish. Oh, little one. Lost it. There's a fish. Little smallie. Little guy. Fun though. It's been a little while since we caught one. Maybe only an hour, but plenty of bites, just having trouble hooking up sometimes. So, downsize a little bit. I think that was kind of the answer. There's a smallie. Another little one. Topwater. Still blast. Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish. There we go. Little bigger smallie, not huge, but on the jig and crawdad. Alright. A lot of fun. Yeah, so this is kind of what we're throwing. Just a little smaller bass jig and then pretty big crawdad. But we got one fish on it. Let's see if we can get some more maybe. Should be able to, I would think. Oh. Oh. Missed one. Wait. Yeah, we missed one. I think. I don't know. Felt like a fish and then it didn't, so. Well, that was definitely a fish. Shoot. Just completely pulled my crawfish off. That sucks. Could have been a good one. I don't know. This hooked into something really little. Kind of a little deeper pocket here. Oh, there's another fish. little though. Man, what do we got? Little smallie? Oh, look at that. Walleye. Alright. Maybe we found the walleye. Just a little guy. There's one. Alright. Another guy. Topwater. Fun stuff. Hey, we found a pretty decent walleye. Check it out. Awesome. Little crankbait. Little guy. Bigger than the first walleye we caught though. We'll take it. Awesome. That's a fish. There you go. Walleye. Alright. Well, apparently the walleyes are digging the crankbait today. Decent walleye. Awesome. There's a smallie. There it goes. There's a fish. What? Walleye on the bass jig. Maybe this walleye identifies as a bass. I don't know. Get it back in the water. Not bad at all. That'd be a dang near keeper. Well, we're gonna wrap things up, guys. It's about noon here, so fished for about 5 hours. Can't complain. It was a lot of fun. You know, I never fished this river ever, so I did pretty decent, I think. I had to work for him a little bit and definitely keep trying a bunch of different spots and trying different things. Wasn't really expecting to catch a lot of walleye, which I think I caught 3 or 4, but didn't really even target them too much. So that was a lot of fun. A bunch of smallies, most of them on topwater, honestly, and missed quite a few. Like I said, definitely fun fishing the Stretch River. So hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.